Oh yeah, YouTube. George here. Hope you're all well. Paul sent me over this from the UK, and he done the decal himself, as far as I know. Everton fan. So he wants a bit of cosmetic stuff. Will you focus? He wants a bit of cosmetic stuff done to this. So we're going to put in a blue display, blue backlighting, blue meter, well, blue on receive, red on transmit, with the white face Irish custom radios meter, and a couple other little bits and pieces. So he has the rubber feet on top, so he must have another radio that he stacks on top of it. I don't know, but yeah, not a bad looking radio. Oh yeah, I have to put a frequency counter on it, which is in the box there on the ground, and that's about it really. So we'll do a few other bits and pieces. So anyway, we'll get on with the show. Right, the finished article. So with the counter on there, the meter, 2-color, and the blue-red, blue display, backlit switches, blue lines on the knobs. That's the first one now I've had through here with a white face on it. Got a sparkle of them knobs, boy, they came out nice and clean. But yeah, D-notch clarifier, and I don't have the bottom lid on yet, so I'm just kind of letting it sit for a little while, make sure everything's good. And chrome came out nice, polished up very well. And the knobs like a U radio. So yeah, we just swing it around there now. See the way I did that. The counter socket out through the back of it. Cut a little hole for it there. Epoxied in place. Turn it back around again. Oh, come on. It's awkward to do one-handed. So it came out nice. Yeah, the white face might do a couple of them. We did the signal meter correction mod, and got the backlighting done on it. Everton. Nil satis nisi optimum. No clue what that means. I have no interest in soccer. But we put the diffuser in the counter as well. So that's low, that's high, and when it's off, you can't see the digits like that one there. So that always annoys me. So I put in some of the filter material, and it just looks a lot better. The blue kind of washes out the camera a bit, makes everything look brighter than it is. But overall, she turned out nice, and I hope you're happy with it, Paul. It's a nice radio inside, it's not hacked up, and with the secret sauce on the cases, just the bottom case to go back on, but just let her burn in for a while, make sure there's no I always kind of find that sometimes you might have it all put back together, and then you either forget to do something or something crops up that you have to pull the cover off. So I leave the cover off now to just before I put them in the box. Sitting here now, and I leave it running for about 24 hours just to make sure. And yeah, nice radio. So thanks for sending it over, Paul. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and if you're interested in getting a radio done, you can have a look at my Facebook group there, Irish Custom Radios, or alternatively you can send me an email. I put that on the screen here now, if you wish to have a chat with me about getting a radio done. So there you go. Alright gang, 73, and we'll get you in the next one.